Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Alaskan Granberg chainsaw mill. This chainsaw mill is designed to make your lumber cutting experience as simple as possible. It is lightweight so you can carry it around easily. Using steel, it will resist vibrations when in use and can fit most chainsaw brands. It can make cuts up to 18 inches wide and 13 inches deep with little effort. Our second best choice is Carmyra portable chainsaw mill. This mill can deal with larger bits of wood, as it functions with a chainsaw bar length of 36 inches. This is an impressive size for a portable sawmill. Our third pick is Granberg Mark IV chainsaw mill. This is a bit bigger and heavier than other chainsaw mills, and it's designed to make bigger cuts in your wood. The Alaskan Mark IV can work with a bar up to 36 inches long and can be used to cut 13 inches deep and 27 inches wide. This is pretty impressive as a sawmill for chainsaw users. Our third choice is Zchoutrade portable chainsaw mill. This is much like many of its competitors, as it is designed to be strong and sturdy in use and fit a range of chainsaws. This is one of the best chainsaw mills for use with a larger chainsaw bar. It is capable of attaching to a bar of up to 36 inches in length and then has another model that can reach 48 inches. This is ideal for owners of large chainsaws. Beyond that, there is little difference between this and the other best chainsaw mill products available. There is no drilling required in the setting up, which makes it easier to arrange all the parts and also easier to transport as there is less equipment needed. The only real difference between this and the HiHydro would be the price. Number 5 in our list is HiHydro portable chainsaw mill. The manufacturer has produced this chainsaw mill to look great while being sturdy and strong at the same time. The aluminum is tough enough to be stable while you cut into your lumber, but it is also chromed so that it looks like a high-quality product. It also comes in 2 different size options. The smaller option works with a chainsaw bar up to 36 inches long, which is about as big as the competitors get. However, there is a huge 48-inch alternative if you want to work with some huge lumber. This is a mill that requires little effort for assembly. No drilling is required in order to attach it to your chainsaw mill, so you don't need to carry extra equipment.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!